Hey everyone, want to make the background of an image transparent in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to create a transparent background step by step. Yeah, whether you're designing logos, creating product images, or making graphics for websites, this guide will help you do it easily. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and choose your image. Once it's open, you're ready to start editing. Before removing the background, make sure your image supports transparency. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and select Add Alpha Channel if that option is available. This allows transparent areas to be saved correctly. Next, choose the best selection tool for your image. You can use the Fuzzy Select tool for simple backgrounds, the Foreground Select tool for more detailed subjects, or the Paths tool for precise selections. Selecting the right tool makes the editing process much easier. Carefully select the background you want to remove. If needed, adjust the selection by adding or subtracting areas until only the background is selected. Once you're satisfied with the selection, press the Delete key to remove the background. If the deleted area doesn't show a checkerboard pattern, double-check that you've added an alpha channel first. After removing the background, zoom in and clean up any rough edges using the eraser tool or additional selection tools. Taking a little extra time here can make your image look much more professional. When you're finished, click File, then Export As, and save your image as a PNG file. So PNG is the best format because it preserves transparency, unlike JPEG, and that's how you make a transparent background in GIMP. With a few simple steps, you can create clean, transparent images for all kinds of creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.